Hello and welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. I'm Kate, the Pattern Production Director at Sallie Tomato. It's day 3 of the Sallie Tomato Co box, and today we've got something special to help you accessorize your next project. Day 3. Let this charming item be your guide as you explore your creative horizons. Your day 2 gift would be a perfect use with this piece. Let's see what's inside. I see a pattern. Today's reveal is a stylish and fun accessory that's quick to make. Today's item is the Nautical Star Bag Charm. It's a free pattern designed by Sallie Tomato sewist and Jess's mom, Renee Kapitansky. You'll also find the hardware that you need to create 2 of these projects. If you'd like to use your fabric cutting system for the ultimate accuracy, we offer SVG files, making it even easier for you to create. Easy applique and assembly boost your confidence, and we're excited to see how you combine fabric colors and textures to spark your creativity in your next projects. If you're interested in next year's Sallie Tomato Co box, make sure to join our newsletter through the link below so you'll be the first to know when it released. We'd love to see your creations. Share your completed projects with us using the hashtags Sallie Tomato and hashtag Sallie Tomato Co on social media so we can admire your style and creativity. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see what you make with your Mariner's Compass supplies.